Welcome to Math Explained videos, where we explain math. In this video, we are going to be going over a brief overview of all the concepts covered in the Factors and Multiples playlist. For more of a specific look and deeper dive into any of these concepts, feel free to check out the video dedicated to that topic on this channel. To begin, we learned that whole numbers can be divided into three groups based on their factors. We have prime numbers, which are numbers that only have two factors of 1 and itself. We have composite numbers, which are numbers that have 3 or more factors. We also have 0 and 1, which are unique numbers that are not prime or composite. We learned that a number has factors and multiples. The factors of a number are the numbers that multiply together to get that number. For example, for the number 10, 1 times 10 equals 10, and 2 times 5 equals 10. So the factors of the number 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. The multiples of a number are never-ending, and are what we get if we multiply our number by another number. So the multiples of 10 are 1 times 10 equals 10, 2 times 10 equals 20, 3 times 10 equals 30, 4 times 10 equals 40, or the first four multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, and 40. When we have two or more numbers, we can compare the factors, and the biggest factor they have in common is called the GCF, or greatest common factor. If we compare the multiples of two or more numbers to find the smallest multiple they have in common, we are looking for the LCM, or lowest common multiple. We can also break composite numbers down into a product of prime numbers. For example, 20 can be written as 2 times 2 times 5. We can represent any number as a product of prime factors. Product of prime factors can also be helpful in finding the GCF and LCM of a group of numbers. Another concept we learned about was writing numbers using exponents. When we multiply the same number together, we can simplify it using exponents. 8 to the power of 3. 8 is our base, and 3 is our exponent. This means we have 3 eighths multiplied together. We can use exponents to help simplify how we write product of prime factors. Instead of writing 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5, we can write 2 to the power of 3 times 3 times 5 to the power of 2. Finally, we learned that when we use the exponent 2 or 3, we say that number is squared or cubed. The opposite of this is to find the square root or cube root of a number. To do this with perfect squares or perfect cubes, we split our product of prime numbers into 2 for a square root or 3 for cube root equal groups. The result of one of these groups will be our square root or our cube root. Hopefully this video helped in giving a quick summary of factors and multiples. For a more deep dive look at math in our Math Explained videos, subscribe, and check out the rest of our explanations. And as always, have a great day.